Previously, I settled into my hotel Il San Pietro di Positano, a luxurious family-owned hotel nestled on the cliffside overlooking the Tyrrhenian Sea on the Amalfi Coast in Italy. Renowned for its world-class amenities, including a private beach, a Michelin-starred restaurant, and sweeping sea views, Il San Pietro offers a tranquil escape with elegant rooms and impeccable service. As impressive as the hotel is, today we venture beyond into the heart of Positano, a captivating seaside village known for its colorful cliffside homes and dramatic coastal beauty. Positano. Positano is a charming village located on the Amalfi Coast in Italy. Known for its colorful buildings, clinging to the steep cliffs overlooking the Tyrrhenian Sea, it's part of the broader Amalfi Coast. A 50-kilometer stretch of coastline that's a popular tourist destination. Positano is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is often referred to as the vertical city due to its unique land with only 4,000 residents. It's more picturesque than Sorrento, and the historic center is completely closed off to heavy traffic. I spent my day exploring this vibrant town, roaming through the local streets and visiting unique boutiques. I also stopped for an Aperol Spritz at a local shop. I enjoyed my drink while looking down at the spectacular view of the Tyrrhenian Sea. Once a quaint fishing village, Positano has now completely transformed into a breathtaking, picturesque town on the Amalfi Coast. This is somewhere that is so safe for solo female travelers. It's so quaint, you feel as though you're traveling back in time. A place you'd love to stay in forever. There are still so many memories left to make and countless places to explore. So until next time, stay tuned, stay safe, and stay traveled.